Welcome back, creators. We're TrustedShopGuy.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our top 10 welding equipment and systems. Welding is a crucial step in the construction of sturdy metal structures. You may lose your hard-earned money in a snap if the welding process is done incorrectly. That said, it is essential to get high-quality welding equipment and systems. However, it's easy to get confused with a wide variety of devices available in the market, which is why in this video, we have compiled a list of the 10 welding equipment and systems for your welding needs. The team at TrustedShopGuy.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the welding equipment and systems that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, make it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You are welcome to check us out on TrustedShopGuy.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first welding equipment and system in our list is the Forney MIG Welder. The Forney MIG Welder is a powerful flux core welder that's ideal for both novice and experienced welders. It can be used for DIY projects, regular metal manufacturing, upkeep and repair, farm and ranch labor, and automotive work. As for the size, it measures 16.7 by 12 by 8.1 inches and weighs 19 pounds. TrustedShopGuy.com has awarded the Forney MIG Welder a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 140 ampere output. You can weld mild steel up to 1/4 of a plate with its 140 ampere output. All-metal case. Rolls of wire weighing 2 to 10 pounds can fit inside the all-metal case. Infinite voltage and wire feed speed control. You can fine-tune the weld using the infinite voltage and wire feed speed controls. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, you need to make sure you run a dedicated circuit for it to avoid unnecessary electrical problems. The second welding equipment and system in our list is the YESWELDER welding helmet. The YESWELDER welding helmet employs true color technology, which reduces the conventional lime green coloring in the helmet view screen to increase visibility and reduce eye strain. It measures 12.5 by 7.9 by 9.75 inches and weighs 2.2 pounds. TrustedShopGuy.com has awarded the YESWELDER welding helmet a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: passive UV or IR filter. The passive UV or IR filter performs consistently with or without power, operating constantly and independently. Oversized comfort cushion. It boasts an oversized comfort cushion that offers lots of settings for adjustment, as well as greater support for better fit and comfort. Large viewing area. A full field of vision is provided by the large viewing area concerning the welding area, which improves operator control. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it's not ideal for people who have dreads or braids. The third welding equipment and system in our list is the Lincoln Electric Heavy Duty Leather Welding Jacket. The Lincoln Electric Heavy Duty Leather Welding Jacket offers a great protection from heat, sparks, and spatter. It is made of heavyweight split cowhide that can be used in high amperage or out-of-position applications and is made to last. In terms of size, it measures 6 by 1 by 1 inch and weighs 4.39 pounds. TrustedShopGuy.com has awarded the Lincoln Electric Heavy Duty Leather Welding Jacket a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: thicker leather and strengthened seams. It has thicker leather and strengthened seams, which lengthen the jacket's useful life. 2-piece inner bicep design. The welding jacket has a 2-piece inner bicep design to improve arm mobility. Excellent flame-resistant cotton. Compared to other full leather welding jackets, its mid and lower back are constructed of excellent flame-resistant cotton, which increases the jacket's ventilation and keeps you cooler. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it's not machine washable. The fourth welding equipment and system in our list is the RAPICCA welding gloves. The RAPICCA welding gloves are guaranteed to resist temperatures up to 662 degrees Fahrenheit. They have a 100% soft sweat absorbent cotton lining for extra softness and heat resistance, which makes them perfect for handling hot objects like hot cookware or burning coal or wood. TrustedShopGuy.com has awarded the RAPICCA welding gloves a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: reinforced wing thumb design. The reinforced wing thumb design offers the highest level of heat protection for handling jobs that provide a high risk of heat exposure and makes them difficult to wear out. Leather hanging loop. They have a leather hanging loop that makes hanging them easy. Thick, soft shoulder split natural cowhide leather. The gloves are manufactured from thick, soft shoulder split natural cowhide leather that has been carefully chosen to be heat, oil, puncture, fire, and cut resistant. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it'll not fit if you have large hands. The fifth welding equipment and system in our list is the Miller Electric Welding Goggles. The Miller Electric Welding Goggles have an extremely low profile design that allows users to weld in spaces where access with traditional welding helmets is limited. Size-wise, they are 12 by 4 by 9 inches and weigh 1.75 pounds. TrustedShopGuy.com has awarded the Miller Electric Welding Goggles a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: exclusive design. The exclusive design offers an alternate form of protection for technical welding operations. Tight-fitting eye cover. They have a tight-fitting eye cover that fits snugly over the face to block out light in bright environments. Auto darkening shades number 5 and number 7. The auto darkening shades number 5 and number 7 provide protection during plasma cutting. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is they fog up easily, which can be quite a bummer when you're in the middle of something. The 6 welding equipment and system are listed as the 3M Peltor welding earmuffs. The 3M Peltor welding earmuffs combine the latest innovations in comfort, design, and protection. They have a 27 decibel output, which makes them perfect for environments with moderate to high noise levels. As for the size, they measure 8 by 6 by 4 inches and weigh 8 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the 3M Peltor welding earmuffs a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: foam liners and interchangeable ear cushions. They provide foam liners and interchangeable ear cushions for earmuffs to keep them clean and last longer. New innovative foam ear cup inserts and spacers. They have new innovative foam ear cup inserts and spacers that help improve attenuation. Internal stainless steel wire. The headband's internal stainless steel wire helps in maintaining constant force for 8 hours of relaxation. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is they're a bit bulky, but they're very comfortable. The 7th welding equipment and system in our list is the Timberland Pro Welding Boots. The Timberland Pro Welding Boots are made to give you better work performance every single day. They evaluate the unmet demands of those who operate in the most demanding situations and then create solutions such as work boots and shoes and anti-fatigue insoles that provide the utmost comfort, durability, and protection all day long. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Timberland Pro Welding Boots a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: Everguard leather and rubber toe protectors. They have an Everguard leather and rubber toe protectors for abrasion-resistant performance. T-plugs. The TPU outsole features T-plugs for traction and is slip, oil, and abrasion-resistant. Comfort system. They use a comfort system built using geometrical technology that absorbs shock and transfers energy back to the foot to provide all-day support and comfort. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the front toe is quite big for some users' preference. The 8th welding equipment and system in our list is the StrongHand Tools BuildPro welding table. The StrongHand Tools BuildPro welding table is a cost-effective, high-quality welding table made of precision-ground steel plates with 5 to 8 holes that are CNC machined in a 2-inch grid pattern. It has the BuildPro's plate and slot structure with 1 3/4 slots between the plates, which offers a lot of clamping edges for quicker, more effective fixturing and better work arrangement. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the StrongHand Tools BuildPro welding table a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: heavy-duty 4-beam support base. The heavy-duty 4-beam support base provides a 2-ton load capacity. Leveling feet. It has leveling feet that ensure proper leveling no matter the surface. Can create fixtures. You can create fixtures as needed for short runs, prototyping, dedicated fabrication, or special one-time projects. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it is quite heavy, so you'll need someone to help you in moving it. The 9th welding equipment and system on our list is the StrongHand Tools Grasshopper welding finger. The StrongHand Tools Grasshopper welding finger is stable for small components including bolts, nuts, and thin plates, allowing for full welding clearance while tracking welding at unusual angles. It measures 7 by 6 by 3 inches and weighs 15.8 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the StrongHand Tools Grasshopper welding finger a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: spring-loaded arm. The spring-loaded arm automatically provides the right clamping pressure. Adjustable magnetic base. It features a magnetic base that can be adjusted and holds onto work surfaces that are circular, square, flat, or angled. Precise holding. The precise holding makes the most space for tack welds. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it doesn't work for stick welding. The 10th welding equipment and system on our list is the YESWELDER welding pliers. The YESWELDER welding pliers are ideal as a welding tool for a variety of tasks, including cutting wires, removing and replacing nozzles or contact tips, hammering, and cleaning splatter. They measure 10.3 by 2.6 by 0.3 inches and weigh 12 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the YESWELDER welding pliers a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: spring-loaded design. The spring-loaded design reduces hand fatigue by making it easier to open and close the pliers. Specially designed nose. They have a specially designed nose for efficient removal of welding spatter. Induction-hardened cutting edge. The cutting edge of the welding pliers is induction-hardened, which keeps it sharper for longer. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, out of the box they were quite stiff, but after a good blast of oil, they loosened right up. And there you have it, folks. Our top 10 welding equipment and system, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next welding equipment and system roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please to give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshop great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.